Hey there, I made this. It's an old man Ninja Turtle action figure based off of like the 90s style action figures and the movies. It started out as kind of a joke, but then I made it. I sculpted this whole thing in ZBrush. Actually, I sculpted a realistic turtle that was bipedal. I was thinking about Gamera from Godzilla. There's a whole video on how I sculpted that already available. And people kept joking that it was like a middle-aged Mutant Ninja Turtle. So I thought I would make a middle-aged Mutant Ninja Turtle. But once I started sculpting, it ended up super wrinkly. I have a tendency to overdo wrinkles, and people said it looked like an old man. And I was like, okay, fine. It's an old man Mutant Ninja Turtle. That works for me even better. So I went with it, and I ended up with this. Now, as you can see from a distance, it just looks like a Ninja Turtle. But if we get in and look kind of at the face, you can see how wrinkly it is. You can see his double chins. And my favorite part, look at that belly. Oh yeah, oh yeah. So this guy's articulated. His feet fall off if you push him too hard. But he's got ball joints at his ankles and wrists. He's got double knees for all kinds of articulation, double elbows, twisty biceps. The head's not very articulated, but he's old. His neck is, well, worn out. I gave him a cane, some Pepto-Bismol, some glasses, and there you go. Assembling this is pretty easy. You can see here that you use filament for these joints. If you print this, be prepared. This thing is going to be a pain in your butt. There's really no way to orient these parts that they don't need just tons of support. So, you know, orient them in ways that make sense for strength. Like the knees, you want to be laying this way on your bed so they're strong that way. The pins, like the shoulder here, if I can pull it out, you want them to be laying long ways on your bed so they're printed strong that way, or else they'll snap off. Assembling it, like I said, is super easy. Here, let me just show you how I put together an arm and a leg. So there you have it. That is the Old Man Mutant Ninja Turtle. All the files are available on printables.com for free. And I'm thinking about doing a whole tutorial series on how I made all of these joints in Nomad. It's not exactly the same as ZBrush. I mean, it more or less is. But Nomad's got some limitations for memory, so I can just walk you through the process of how I made these fairly quick and easy. And so if you'd like to see those tutorials, let me know. All right, I'll see you on the next video. Enjoy.